From 1890 to 1910, Southern states developed sophisticated methods to disenfranchise black voters while appearing to follow the Constitution. One method involved the idea that political parties are free to choose their members. Many political parties choose candidates for office with a primary election. Since the 15th Amendment applied to the actions of states, not political parties, in many states the white primary was established. The Democrat Party in South Carolina, Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Georgia, and Virginia developed systems that excluded blacks from primary voting. Since Democrat candidates won most elections, this effectively shut blacks from the political process. It took until 1944 for the U.S. Supreme Court to condemn such practices in Smith versus Allwright. Primary elections were found to fall under the 15th Amendment, 74 years after it was adopted. In many slave states, it had been illegal to teach slaves to read and write. Another effort to disenfranchise former slaves was literacy testing as a qualification for voting. The intended and actual results were that most former slaves were ineligible to vote as they had been prohibited from learning to read. Southern states also implemented poll taxes, fees to vote, property requirements, and grandfather clauses that let white voters avoid the new restrictions if their grandfathers had voted before the Civil War.